guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm beyond excited because I hit 100,000 subscribers here on YouTube and I'm just blessed. I'm so happy. If I think about it too long, I'll cry. But I wanted to celebrate, and to celebrate I wanted to buy an ice cream cake and have a big shebang with my family, but the ice cream cake was $38. And if you know me, you know that I'm very frugal. So I ended up making the cake by hand. Well, not by hand, but I made it a DIY ice cream cake. And I wanted to share the process with you guys. It's so easy. If you want an ice cream cake and you don't want to shell out like close to $40, I'm going to save you about more than half, right? So I'm so excited to share it with you. And I just want to say thank you so much for being here, for supporting me, for liking my videos, for subscribing, for sharing them. I'm truly, truly grateful and just so blessed that you guys have stuck with me through the journey. So let's make an ice cream cake, shall we? To start out, we're going to go ahead and put in our chocolate ice cream. Just make sure that you take this out about 30 minutes before you spread it. Otherwise, it's going to be really tough to work with. This one, for some reason, was super frozen, so it still gave me a little bit of a hard time. So once you get that in a nice even layer, you're going to go ahead and put that in the freezer for at least an hour because you want this to be nice and solid before we add the fudge. So while that's in the freezer, we're going to go ahead and take our Oreos, and I'm just going to post them in the food processor. You can do this by hand with just using a bag and a rolling pin or a bottle of wine, whatever works for you. Just post them until they're nice and fine. And then you are going to use hot fudge. You can use any chocolate you want. This is just my favorite. So the reason you want it to be firm, the ice cream to be firm, is so that the hot fudge doesn't melt the ice cream right away. And as you can see, you have to work super quick because here the hot fudge was already melting the ice cream. And then once that's all set, we are going to add in our cookie crumbles. And then this is going to go back into the freezer until it's nice and solid, because otherwise when we roll out the vanilla, it'll get the ice cream all over it. So here we go. We're adding in the vanilla ice cream. Again, take this out about 30 minutes before you plan on spreading it out so it gets nice and soft. As you can see, I still managed to get the cookies into the ice cream, but that's totally fine. So now this will go back into the freezer until it's nice and solid for another couple of hours. There we go. And now I took it out of the pan and I'm just spreading some Cool Whip on here, a nice even layer. And then you could do the sides if you want to. I did it slightly, and then I'm just gonna pipe some Cool Whip on. You don't have to do this. This is totally optional. And then just like any ice cream cake, I added in some sprinkles. And then this will go back into the freezer before we go ahead and serve it. There you go. It's all set.